How do I put the car in neutral?
What?
How do I put the car in neutral? Yeah. How do I put this car in neutral? Yeah. I don't know how to do it. I'm holding it. I'm trying to get a car wash. I don't know how to do it!
Just pull it back and go just push it forward.
Yeah, give me a second. This guy's helping me. I'm so sorry. Okay, got it.
Mom!
Okay, I love you.
Literally. Ooh, I'm gonna see this part.
Stop messing with things, Mom.
Mom, stop!
Yeah.
I'm really
Get it figured out?
No.
What way is it?
Stop.
Stop!
Put off the brake.
Shit. How do I turn the brake off?
Oh my god, what's happening? No, I'm taking that. Oh my god.
Give me a minute, babe. Fuck these new cars.
We're at a car wash.
Put on the brake.
Okay, let's off the brake.
Mom!
Okay, I think I did it. Now stop touching it.
Does it say neutral?
Yes, it says neutral.
Jeez!
The whole car was dancing, Mom. You had the car going.
Gabby, show your
I'm not
face.
trying to. She don't even know what to do. She don't even drive. Well, it's a new car. I don't know how to use it.
Mom, we had this car for a year!
Okay, it's working now.
Okay, I love you.
Love you too.
I'm about to be here, work done, and I don't know if I can catch you after I and all that.
Okay, I was trying to be nice and watch your car for you.
Thank you, darling.
And, yeah. Well, that was so embarrassing.
Oh,
You were
screaming at the poor guys. Oh my god, this is...
Yes, definitely.
There's people behind us being like, what?
Okay. Well, I love you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this
So
is
embarrassed.
I would be too.
Like, I don't even think we're getting the right car wash now because, like, we missed all the stuff, I think. I don't know. No, there's our lot left.
Ooh, snakes.
Alright, I love you.
Love you too, baby.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, we didn't get the right stuff.
Don't look at me. I don't know who you are. Oh, I've been kidnapped.
I'm sorry. Oh, don't move me. I'm so sorry.
It's fine, man. It's fine.